Alright, so I just want to do a quick video, something I've been noticing quite often. Anytime you see this, and then you see this glob of dirt, it's covering your brake lines. So you want to make sure you want to inspect these brake lines on your 8th gen Civic. And make sure that they're not rotted. Because it hides a bunch of stuff that you can't see. And this is part of your safety inspection. Just want to make sure these brake lines are okay back here. As you can see, it's getting kind of rusty. All this dirt retains moisture and salt, and you just want to have a good look at them, make sure they're not broken. And you can see in the back here, you can probably punch a hole eventually. Oh, actually, you can punch a hole right here. So, yeah, 8th gen Civic. Anytime you see something like this, make sure you inspect these brake lines that are always covered in dirt. In case something happens, you know, you catch it before something bad happens. You just want to make sure, because, you know, look at all that. It's all, yeah, back here you can probably punch a hole. I'll bring it around to the other side. We're on the other side, same deal here. It's pretty rusty here. You can see it's starting to turn kind of brownish color. There's probably a hole here I can probably punch through, but you gotta get rid of all this dirt. And inspect the rear brake lines, the steel brake lines, and make sure they're okay. Usually the line's not bad. It's just the connection right here that's not coated to prevent them from rusting. So might be able. Nope, still no hole yet. But I have had one with a hole that I punched through. I'll leave a link in the description or in the comments. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description so you can see that video. Punched a hole through it. Yeah, I got most of the dirt out. Just give it a blowgun and blow it out. But you can see this part is all kind of rotted out. It's still under dirt. But eventually, this will completely rot away, and you get your brake lines will start leaking. And then back here, if it's bad enough, you can punch a hole. We're on this subject here, you know, looking at brake lines. You're also looking at other parts of your hydraulic brake system. Wheel cylinder starting to leak. Same thing on the other side as well.